continue to design Etherscanx for transaction detail. Alright, so we will add on something like transaction action, page stuffs, view. So I think we should remove this sponsor and we continue from 2. Okay, from we have okay, so yeah, we can continue to use this again. Yeah, and I think this will be nice worker. Yes. We have to contingency or contingency, or you can also click on this and you can control D to duplicate it, and you press shift to move it on one direction. It will fit on one side, maybe left, right, maybe front and bottom, but it will fit if you press shift, right? If you don't know press shift, is you will move it everywhere you like, but if you press it, it's like fix one side for you. Okay. It's about 12 spacing. Okay, so duplicate Control D. I think we should remove this. Okay, so we will add on something like value, transaction fee, gas price. I think we have to this Ethereum icon. Okay, and then 0 Ethereum. maybe 10, just a sample, right? And it's been maybe some it just some my example number. Okay, and then we have a transaction fee, and transaction fees with a transaction fees maybe some ethereum. Okay, I think we should, unless we can duplicate it by rest until also. Okay, when you are on the page, if you want to choose something on inside a frame, you can click rest controls and click on the element you want to use. Click controls, rest controls, and click on the element you want to choose. With transaction fees, I think it's maybe too easier. I will go to Ethereum scan to see it and copy it. Yes. It's like some number Ethereum. Okay, it's some price like 0.747. Okay, and we move to gas price. Okay, okay. Something wrong with, okay, something wrong with this slide, right? Okay, and which gas price we have? More detail. Okay, we have something like more detail. Okay, I will expand this. If you want to expand it's on the frame, you choose. Okay, like it's like I will do some example for you about expand the frame, like because on each element on the frame, it's like auto always some constraints, like it's laptop, right? So when you not you want to expand, it's like everything will move like on a train constraint, you see it. Yeah, and if you don't want to affect every element on the component on the frame, you should press controls and then you can expand it, but it will not affect anything on your frame. Okay, if you want to expand both sides, you can press control and rest until, and if you want to expand like like move, you can rest on the shift. Okay, just try it. But when you rest control, you can expand the frame and not affect anything on the element inside. It will not affect the constraints. If not, it will affect the constraints. Yes. So we will continue to move to another thing like more detail. Okay, so we have gas and limits use, and it's on the another another page. So I will expand the frame, move it down, Ctrl D, right? And I will Ctrl A to delete it. Or you can like this frame, like you want to collapse on the element inside, you can click and Ctrl L. No, Alt L, Alt L to close. Okay, to collapse, you can let Alt L to collapse on the element inside the frame. It's like you open the loss, right? And you don't want to like close X1, collapse X1. You can choose the frame compose you want to collapse, and you let it click until an L. Let you close all. And I have another trick for you, like you click on this frame and you want to choose inside element on it, you can click enter, and you can click enter more, you will move inside another frame. And if on the frame have something, you click enter again, and you will continue to move another twice on a frame. Yes, that is something is very useful when you working on that workflow will make your design faster and easier. And select L to collapse all. Yes, it's easy, right? So we will move to the next step, like gas limits uses by TSN. Control C, Control D. Okay, I have the test, right? I think we will fill contain Control D. We have gas fees, bond, TSN fees. Order attribute and input data. Okay, and then we click on this, it will have the like it will align for you. Okay, it will trail 20 right, 20. You can also break its element. Yeah, you see this around pin, you can click on this, you break it, it will move on like you want to change this. Okay, but it's only happen if the spacing you equally, and it will not affect if the spacing you not equally. I will give you some example like this, and you won't see it's have a, a pink circle anymore because I don't have click on the tidy up. The spacing uh, don't have. It's like 25, right? And here is 40. Each element not have the correct spacing anymore. So if you want to use again, you have to click on tidy up and align right there, and you can drag it. Okay, so we will move to the next is Galismus Ubitis A. Okay, so we have something like base much ways. Okay, and the spacing I think it should right now we will have something like mass prioritize. We will continue to duplicate it, and we have mass priority, which the color I think we should use something like the black thing. It will should be the black, and this is black. Let me move on. Yes, and between it have a line which we want to write that to line. Okay, what's here? It's black one. You press the shift. Okay, so yes, and the spacing tidy up ace continue continue again and tidy up. Yeah, we have a lines and the number, and between it I choose the spacing is 8. Okay, so I think 8 is good, so I choose the 8, and we will move on to burn. Okay, like it's like the feed burn is something like this. I think we will use again this element for the burn rice. Transition fee. Okay. And maybe we use icon first. This. Alright. And transition fee. It's like a emoji, right? So yeah, we have a hun and transaction fees. We will move to another thing like the line. Okay, we have continue and then we will contain is, contain v, align vertical center, and if you want to choose inside a frame, you can press Control the element you want to choose, yes, and you align also. This also help you. Okay, and then we have something like this. It should be like 24. Okay, maybe 20. Yep. I think this line maybe not black wall but black trees. Yes, black tree, right? It should be 10. Yes, 10. Okay, and we move to contain the position of block. Okay, and then in post data, we will create a table for it to show the information from the input data. Here's some tests, and maybe I should create a table for it. I will create a Shift A to use auto layout, or you can Control right and S auto layout. Okay, you will add a fill to a color, maybe like black. I think maybe we should use a color like this truck. I think it should be lighter. Yes, something like this. And it's about the corner is 4. Okay, and little fish on the left, right? Okay, and I think it should be like 16, 17. Okay, maybe 8. Yep, I think it should be 8. And the color I use for it is black choice. And then we move to something like view inputs as. It's represent for the button. I think. Continue. 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 The cost input data. Advanced filter. I will find another icon. Okay, I have found another icon. 16. It. And I will replay it. Back to replace. This icon, I think, is polar. It's polar. But to replay. Okay. The spacing is 8. Maybe 6, right? Maybe 6. Okay. Icon filter, I will find another icon filter further. Then 8 or 6 or 6. Black one. Tidy up. 10. The spacing is 12, right? More detail we have. Remove icon. More detail. And then we have something like click to show less. Okay. We have minus. Blue. I think it should be 24. And this one 450. Okay, to check this on. The spacing is 24. Then yeah, that's it. Remove it. Yep. I think we have to finish the transaction detail for Etherscanx. And yes, I hope on this video I share for you the tip about design transaction on cryptocurrency and some tip about Figma that can help you design faster and easier. And if you see my video values, click on the like button and share to your friend or comment what you think about it. If you like this style of video or something about design UI UX, you can comment below. Share for me that I will create that video and show the problem for you. And thank you. See you on the next video.